That puts in a nice flat ceiling in my shed. Next, I can put a roof on. For the roof, I'll come back to the side I want the peak and the end of the roof to be on. I'm going to find the center line. I'm going to make mine 4 feet. Then I'll bring the roof down to either corner, and I can use the erase tool to erase that center line. Now I'll use the push-pull tool on this side of the roof, and I will bring it back to meet that back wall. Didn't quite get to the outside of that back wall though. So that is our roof. We can also make it overhang a little bit. We can use the offset tool rather than going inside like I just did. I can click on that edge and bring it out. You have to click and drag to do that function. I am going to keep it nice and easy and do a 2-inch wide roof. Now I'm going to make some separations on the bottom of the roof here and delete that line. Now I can pull the roof out toward me to create an overhang. I'll go 4 inches, and I can pull the roof across the rest of the length of the building and create an overhang on the back. Do another 4 inches on the back. Now that that's done, I can worry about my glass in my window. There are a couple ways you can do this. I find it easiest to just use the rectangle tool and do the outside corners of the window. Then we can use our materials tab. We can come over to browse in the materials and use glass. You can select a glass that you like. I like the blue glass. And now for my trim here, there's a whole bunch of different things that we can choose from. I like the metal for the trims on my door and window. Now let's say I want to have it be a split sided house. So that means I can have brick coming up to a certain point and then the rest of it be siding. In order to do that, I can use a guide to set where I want it to be. It is picking up my window right here at 3'6". At 3'6". See where on my window that is. Okay, 3'2" is the bottom of that window. We're going to put a separation right at the bottom of that window. I typed in the wrong measurement. (3'2" the whole way around. Be careful where, see my tape measure is jumping between the axis and my wall. Be careful where your tape measure and other tools are snapping to when you are going to draw something. Now I can use my line tool, bring my line around the building, ending it anywhere that there's a fixture or something else that separates the two sides of the walls. Now I can erase my guides and I have it separated the whole way around. I'm going to go back into my materials, close a couple of them so I don't have so many open. I'll do a stone on the bottom here. And I'll do a where did I find that? Oh, siding up here. Siding on the rest of it. It's a very gray looking house. Shed. And for the roof, I'm just going to make it asphalt. Oh. You'll notice you have to do each individual surface. They don't all automatically fill in. And that is my shed that I'm sketching for the Dream Shed project. I hope this was helpful if any of you decide to use SketchUp for your Dream Shed project.